I like your hat, Rosie. Rosie. Are you comfortable? Can't see your eyes. Can you see me? Is that That's comfortable? You don't mind? Rosie. Rosie! You like your hat? Why don't you take it off? All you have to do is shake your head. Rosie. Rosie? you Are you depressed? You just have to shake your head and then it's gone. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, it's off! Yeah! I can't see your eyes. Oh, puppy.